Imagine a single nut so rich in nutrients that eating just one a day can transform your health, boost your immunity, and protect your heart. Welcome to the incredible world of the Brazil nut. Nature's nutritional powerhouse hiding in the heart of the Amazon. The Brazil nut isn't just a snack, it's a superfood. Grown in the pristine rainforests of South America, this large, creamy nut comes from the towering Brazil nut tree, one of the oldest and tallest trees in the Amazon. Revered by indigenous communities for centuries, it's packed with unique nutrients that modern science continues to uncover. Let's dive into the powerful health benefits of the Brazil nut and why just one nut a day can change everything. Brazil nuts are famous for one thing above all, their sky-high selenium content. Just a single nut can meet your daily needs. Selenium acts like a spark plug for your immune system, activating cells that defend you against viruses, infections, and even cancer. It also reduces inflammation at the cellular level, helping your body recover faster and age slower. It's like equipping your immune system with high-tech armor, all from a creamy little nut. These nuts are rich in healthy fats, the kind your heart actually loves. The monounsaturated fats in Brazil nuts lower bad cholesterol and raise good cholesterol, balancing your cardiovascular system. And with nutrients like magnesium and potassium in the mix, your blood vessels relax, your pressure stays in check, and your risk of heart disease takes a serious dive. One nut a day could be your tiny protector against heart attacks and strokes. Your thyroid is a small gland with a massive job controlling your metabolism, energy, even your mood. It runs on selenium, and guess what delivers a perfect dose? Brazil nuts. They help your thyroid produce just the right amount of hormones, preventing sluggishness, weight gain, or mood swings. For anyone battling thyroid issues, Brazil nuts are like a natural remedy carved by nature itself. Want better focus, sharper memory, and a brighter mood? Brazil nuts can help. Their selenium works like a brain fertilizer nourishing neurons, protecting them from stress, and helping to balance mood-regulating chemicals like serotonin. Studies have shown that people with low selenium levels are more likely to feel anxious or depressed. But with regular Brazil nuts intake, your mind stays clearer, calmer, and more resilient. Feeling drained? Brazil nuts are a natural energy booster, packed with nutrients that help you power through the day. Their healthy fats, protein, and selenium work together to fuel your body at a cellular level, supporting steady energy production without the crash of caffeine or sugar. Brazil nuts are a fertility-friendly powerhouse, rich in selenium and zinc, two minerals essential for reproductive health. In men, selenium supports healthy sperm production and motility, while in women, it helps balance hormones and supports a healthy menstrual cycle. These creamy nuts nourish the reproductive system from the inside out, making them a simple yet powerful ally for couples trying to conceive or maintain hormonal balance. Brazil nuts are like nature's beauty secret. Their rich blend of antioxidants, vitamin E, and zinc promotes collagen production, fights off acne-causing inflammation, and keeps your skin smooth and youthful. These nutrients shield your skin from UV damage and environmental stress, so your complexion glows from the inside out. Think of it as edible skincare, one bite at a time. If you're enjoying this content, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Leave a comment and help us reach as many people as possible. Brazil nuts may be high in calories, but they're also incredibly satisfying, helping curb cravings and keep you feeling full longer. Their rich fiber and protein content support healthy digestion and reduce the urge to snack, while selenium boosts thyroid function, which plays a key role in burning fat efficiently. Brazil nuts are often used in kitchens around the world for their rich, buttery texture and slightly sweet flavor, making them perfect for baking, nut butters, or even as a crunchy topping on salads and desserts. Whether you're an athlete or just active, Brazil nuts support your muscles and bones in powerful ways. Magnesium, protein, and calcium work together to prevent cramps, build strong muscle fibers, and speed up recovery after workouts. Plus, they help your bones stay dense and durable with age. One Brazil nut after a workout? That's smarter than most post-gym shakes. Brazil nuts can support healthy blood sugar levels by providing a good source of healthy fats, fiber, and magnesium, which help improve insulin sensitivity and slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. Their high antioxidant content, particularly selenium, also helps reduce oxidative stress that can contribute to insulin resistance, making them a beneficial addition to a balanced diet for good sugar control. And finally, cancer prevention. Selenium plays a key role in repairing damaged cells and stopping them from mutating into something dangerous. Studies suggest that selenium-rich foods like Brazil nuts can slow tumor growth and even enhance your body's ability to detox. It's not a cure, but it's a remarkable layer of protection, hiding in one of the simplest snacks on earth. So who should avoid Brazil nuts? People with a selenium allergy or sensitivity, as even small amounts can trigger a reaction. Those with nut allergies or on a strict low-selenium diet, such as individuals with certain thyroid conditions or kidney issues, should also consult a doctor before adding Brazil nuts to their routine. Additionally, consuming them in excess can lead to selenium toxicity, so moderation is key. In the end, the Brazil nut is more than just a tasty snack. It's a nutrient-packed gift from nature with the power to support your heart, mind, metabolism, and more, proving that sometimes, the smallest things have the biggest impact. Want to learn more about the healing power of foods? Check out our other videos on nutrient-rich diets, superfoods, and natural remedies. Together, we're building a healthier, happier future. Thank you for watching.